Welcome to the world of JHG Jigsaws. This is our home page, and if you click on this, you'll be able to get a personalised puzzle. This page tells you all the information to get your own puzzle made from your own image. We print it, glue it, cut it, bag it, box it, and send it to you. The ideal gift or present. Once we've got your picture, we send it to our printer. Our printer will upscale your pictures from 300 dpi to 1200 dpi, giving you an excellent quality print. Once your picture has been printed, it's then run through our gluer, laminated to board, and ensuring it's smooth, then it's left to dry. Once your puzzle is dried nicely, it's put onto our cutting machine. Once it's cut, it goes up the conveyor belt. It comes through our automatic bagger and ends up in the bag. The next puzzle that goes up the conveyor belt, we'll seal this one. Then we place your puzzle into its neat little postage box, which will go through your letterbox. On the front of your puzzle, we can put a title or a greeting, anything you like. For that final professional touch, all of our puzzles come neatly shrink wrapped. This is our laminating and box making station. These are our cutting machines. This is our luxury Grovely, James Hamilton, Classic Deluxe and JR Puzzles stock area. And there's our shrink wrapper. Of course, if you want to make thousands of puzzles, we can do that for you too.